Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to break down for you how you can adjust the rendering cache size for your documents pages on Inkscape in 2026. So let us get started. So guys, as you can see, I'm on Inkscape, and for this method you'll need to navigate to your Inkscape preferences, not the document properties, but for the entire Inkscape application. To do that, what you want to do is navigate to the Edit tab at the top and choose preferences from the bottom of that drop-down menu. Here guys, on the left hand side, let me just collapse the Tools tab, and what you want to do is navigate to the Rendering tab here, left click into it, and what you want to do here is adjust the rendering cache size here to the right by using these plus and minus buttons, or you may enter a value here, and that's it. So I don't know, I will leave it 512 for the sake of the tutorial. You may close the window, you don't need to click into any save button here, and that's it guys. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.